I'm addressing Abraham, and I'm very grateful that I can do that.
Yeah.
I would like to know more about the subject of the veil between where you are and where we are.
Well, it is non-existent except in your perception. And we've been calling it a filter. It's beliefs that don't match your desires that accomplish that sort of filter, because everything's being revealed to you, so there's no veil, but your ability to realize it has to do with what you've got going on vibrationally. So the veil is simply a smoke screen that humans put up by believing things that Source knows otherwise about.
I've had an experience from a teacher, a very dear teacher, who, when she passed at age, very old, at age 94, 96, we kind of made an agreement that she would, if she could, show me somehow that there is this other reality, that there is something beyond the physical that I was in.
But you see, that's an impossible accomplishment in this sense, that if you need to see it to believe it, then you're not in the receptive modes where you can see it. And if you already believe it, then you don't need to see it because you already know it. It's a sort of quandary, isn't it?
Yes. It's actually very interesting because there was a real experiment that we did. And
After she made her transition?
After she made her transition, several years after that. And the experiment involved a totally neutral other person who was doing electronic voice perception. And the end result of this experiment was a message coming through by electronic voice perception, saying, this is not permitted here. I was trying to get a proof, quote unquote, of this other existence. And she said, that proof is not permitted.
But it is. It's permitted. You just weren't permitting it in your need of proof.
That makes sense.
The need for proof puts you in a vibrational place where you can't get through the veil.
Yes.
It's only through belief.
Only
Isn't
through
that
belief.
tricky?
Only through belief. Right.
Yeah.
That's interesting.